have 10 new clever home gadgets for you right now on Amazon, plus some organization, hidden gems. And if you're tired of cleaning your shower and your bathtub, I have the perfect trick for you, plus an additional, oh so beautiful bonus item. Shoes, and more shoes. Do you have a lot of shoes taking up space in your closet, in your bedroom, in your mudroom area? Maybe, I don't know, basically every nook and cranny in your home. I have you covered. These underbed storage containers are phenomenal. They come in a variety of different color options, so you can really coordinate them based on your color palette. What I love about these is that they have sturdy handles and you can pull from a variety of different sizes depending upon where you place these under your bed. I love that you can also see through the top, so when you pull out the shoe organizer, you can see exactly the contents inside. It is so chic, it is so beautiful. And here's another bonus feature with this. You can totally adjust the inserts of this underbed shoe organizer. So if you have some ankle boots, maybe you have some really high heels, maybe you have some knee-high boots, you can totally change everything up to fit your shoes. 2 come in a pack, so a total of 24 different pairs of shoes can be easily stored underneath your bed. In fact, I was able to fit 3 of these underneath my king-size bed. The price point on this is phenomenal considering all the extra space that I have freed up around my home. Do you have a lot of brooms and mops, or maybe you have a lot of garage gear like rakes and shovels? I have the perfect solution for you. This corner storage organizer, it's under $40. It was so easy to put together. Now, we've been keeping our cleaning supplies, you know, the things with all the handles, in a downstairs shower because we never use it for a shower, so I wanted to maximize that space. However, it was looking a little bad. It needed a little love, a little assistance, and a little Andrea Jean organization touch. This corner storage fit perfectly inside of my shower. This would also fit so nicely inside the corner of your garage. Maybe you have a basement, maybe you have a closet of some sort. And then rather than having to drill things in a wall and then cross your fingers, or maybe you've used some sort of 3M sticky something or another and hope to gosh that everything just stays put on that wall. No, everything's easy to access and grab with this corner storage. Oftentimes we're not utilizing the corner areas of our home well enough, so this is wonderful. So this is not only for your garage, it can be for any corner space in your home, even a shower for cleaning supplies. I showed this tiny pump where I tried to blow up a beach ball in a previous video, and it did an okay job. It was nothing like you see on Amazon or other influencers. It shows it blowing up really, really fast. And so I was a little disappointed. It did the job, but not as fast as I wanted it to. So I found this pump. In fact, my husband's been using this to go on a camping trip every single year because it can blow up a mattress in about 1 minute. Now, Amazon will tell you about 30 seconds. However, I timed it out with his air mattress and it wasn't quite 30 seconds, but let me just tell you this, it was super fast. And you don't want to use your mouth to blow into objects such as pool toys or camping equipment. In fact, camping equipment can be very expensive because moisture accumulates inside, which is a breeding ground for mold, bacteria, and smells, and then it reduces the longevity of your beloved items. I also wanted to put this air pump to the test on this air track, and you can see here from the footage that it took just a little bit longer than an air mattress to blow up. And this air track is quite larger than a sleeping mattress. In fact, my daughter loved it so much. You can see here it was blown up so nicely. I love timing things out so that you can really get an idea in real time how long these things take, because when I got the tiny pump, I expected it just to be like woo for whatever reason I saw on all the videos and on Instagram and here on YouTube, and it was not my experience. It's great, but this one's even better for blowing up air mattresses. So if you need to charge a cell phone or an iPad, it certainly can do that just with this tiny little box. It also has a light on it with several different lighting options. So if you are in a dark area, a closet, or outside camping, you can see exactly what you need to do. 3 in 1 for this? Heck to the yes. Summertime means lots of fun, but also lots of stinky things with the heat and the humidity. I love these Arm & Hammer deodorizer balls. They smell fantastic. I know oftentimes you can just sprinkle some baking soda in areas, but then you gotta deal with the cleanup, and that is a mess. It can get tracked all over your house. Baking soda is a pain to clean up. But the fact that they're in these nice balls, 3 came in a pack. They smell so good. You can put them in your shoes. It'll also absorb moisture and odor. You can also put them in athletic gear. You could put them in a gym bag. In fact, I hid one in my husband's gym bag. This is also fantastic for travel because when you're traveling, things can get a little bit smelly, a little bit worn in, depending upon where you are. Put this in your suitcase or your backpack and things are gonna smell fresher than ever before. The price point on these are phenomenal, just under $6 at the time of filming. And how long does the freshness last, you ask? Well, according to the packaging, approximately 60 days. One little ball for about 2 months of great smelling goodness. I love it. No more will you walk around with stinky shoes and stinky backpacks. Onto a different kind of ball, this time a screen cleaning ball. We have a lot of electronics in our house with 4 children, so I wanted to test this out in a variety of areas. First, I used it on my laptop and it worked amazing. In fact, there are 2 sides to these screen cleaning balls. There's a finer side and then there's the microfiber side. My favorite is the microfiber side, especially if you have dirtier electronics. You can also use this on your cell phone. I love it. It's great. It's compact. You can put it in your purse. You can leave it in your car. In fact, I have over 30 amazing car gadgets in this video right here. I didn't talk about this one, although this one is fantastic. I'm going to link that in the description box below and pin it in the comments section so you can watch after this video. I put these screen cleaning balls to a tablet in our house that is very disgusting. You can see from all the fingerprints on it, like sticky things, like I don't even want to imagine what's on that screen. Here's a little trick when it comes to really cleaning up those screens. If you're finding that yours look like mine, they're absolutely horrible and horrendous and like dirtier than the average person, probably just use your breath. It's the perfect amount of moisture to add to these screen cleaning balls to really clean things up even faster and more effectively. These balls have no chemicals. They're easy to store. 3 come in a pack. They're so cute. I have them in my office desk. You can put one in your travel bag. You can basically anywhere you need to clean a screen. This ball is going to be so handy for you. Now, I certainly could use a microfiber towel. However, it's like this rag. It's hard to store. You gotta unfold like a ball. Perfect. Why didn't I think of that? How much are these balls, you ask? Well, currently at the time of filming, they're just about $12 for 3 of them. Summertime is just around the corner, and who doesn't love a nice, cool drink, especially if you can get it in the slushy form. 2 of these come in a pack. Clean them out and then stick them in your freezer till everything's nice and frozen. And then grab your favorite summertime beverage. Mine is the orange flavored sparkling ice. Pour it in there, and then you're gonna squeeze that cup, I would say for about 30 seconds, and watch the magic literally unfold. Your liquid drink will now turn into your favorite slushy. I like to chew on things in the summer to cool you off. I like the ice. This is perfect. It comes with a spoon/straw so you can drink your goodness. You can eat your goodness. In fact, my 3-year-old loved this so much. It's so fun. I can't wait to take it to the pool, use it outside. It's like elevating your favorite summertime drink. This is also an excellent gift idea. If you have nieces and nephews or grandkids, they're gonna love this. You know when you find a product and you're like, I didn't realize I needed this my whole life? Well, that's this product. It's this wedge pillow for your headboard. Maybe you're tired of losing things behind the crack of your mattress and your headboard. Not anymore. Maybe you're tired of your pillows looking sad and limp when you prop them up. Not anymore with this. It comes in 2 different sizes, the queen version and the king version. There's also several different color options available. And here's a bonus on this. You can put your phone in there. You can also put your remote control in there so you have easy access to it when you're lounging, hanging out, and relaxing in your bed. Also, if you're like me, I try to hide my phone and the remotes from my children because they will go missing. But not anymore. I can easily tuck them inside this nice little pocket. My daughter loves this. This is just fantastic. And it has a zipper so you can easily remove the covering and wash it whenever you need to. And I can't even believe it. I just checked it right now. It's just under $30 plus there's an additional 15% off for the king size version. Whenever you see that little green checkbox on Amazon, make sure that you check that so you can save the most amount of money. This might be my favorite product, although I love all of them. It's these organizers. We have an excess of blankets and towels and clothing for the next kid that may grow into them. I have these rather large fabric totes and they have served their function. However, as you can tell, they don't look very nice. They're kind of sloppy. They cave in on themselves. They just don't look nice, particularly in a closet. Yes, they corral them, but there's no structure structure. So when I found these, I got so excited, especially because there are clear openings, 2 sides, so you can see exactly the contents in them. The handles are nice and sturdy and durable, and also the zippers are durable. I was able to fit 2 Betty's comforters, which are thicker, if you know what Betty's are, inside one of these. There's 2 sizing options. You can get the medium or the large, and I opted for the large. 3 come in a pack. In fact, I love these so much. I have 3 more, essentially 1 unit, sitting in my Amazon cart right now. I can't wait. It comes in a few different color options, so you can really pick the color that will work best in your particular area. This is a game changer. I'm currently in the process of reorganizing my 3-year-old's closet because it has become the dumping ground for all things. But not anymore, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see more of those amazing, brilliant, clever organizers that are gonna help you in your home as well. Currently, right now, for 3 of these organizers, just under $40. Yes. Now I look back to those floppy organizers that I've used for so long, and I'm like, oh, those are so sad looking compared to these beautiful ones with handles. I can see inside, everything's organized. I do not enjoy dusting, and I also do not enjoy cleaning the bathtub and the shower. And I love cleaning. It's just a tedious task. And so as you can see here, I've been putting off cleaning my shower for quite some time. There's a lot of yellowing going on. There's a lot of pink bacteria in the corners. So today is the day. If you don't have one of these electric spin scrubbers in your arsenal, you definitely need it. And currently at the time of filming, it's under $40. 60% off with a $5 coupon. This is gonna save your back. You can get in your bathtub. You can get up high in your shower. You can get down low. The handle on it is extendable. You can easily charge this up. It doesn't require batteries, making it heavier, costing you more money buying batteries. There's also different brush head options, so you can really decide which one is gonna fit your space. You could use this to clean your grout. You can adjust the head on it to fit your space. This is literally cleaning made easy. You are definitely gonna get your money's worth on this one. Once I start using this brush, I'm like, why have I been putting off this task? This is so fun. This is so satisfying. The brush is doing the job for you. I was thinking about this. If I was on my hands and knees, like scrubbing this, you know how long that would take me? Those are precious minutes and hours, essentially. Reduced down to like 15 minutes to clean my entire shower. Now I'm pairing this with the CLR Brilliant Bath Cleaner. I love this. The smell is not too pungent. It's not like a bleach. It also has a spray foam action, so it's gonna cling to your surfaces better. No need to get out a paste and mix stuff. I like to spray, let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, watch the product do its job, and then you go in with your electric spin brush, and it's like magic. There's so many different things you can clean with this. You could clean outdoor garbage cans, you could clean your garbage cans, you could clean outside your home patio furniture. That would be a brilliant one to do this with. Maybe you have spindles and different stairs on the outside or back of your home. Oh, I can't wait to do that. If you need something with a long handle and you want the brush to do the job for you and you just want to sit back and go like this is the tool for you. And you can see here my shower is so nice and clean. The yellowing is gone, the pink is gone, nice and refreshed, and I hardly had to lift a finger. I mean, I suppose I lifted my wrist and went like this. And went like this to spray the CLR. This spray foam is also excellent in your toilet if you have a mineral deposit ring around it, and because it clings so nicely, it's perfect. Now onto our bonus item, this gorgeous velvety swivel chair. I was looking to up-level a space in my home and I fell in love with this. I had seen it floating around online. I'm like, I gotta see if this is actually worth it. It is so soft. It is so easy to put together. It comes in a variety of different color options, so you can really pick the one that's gonna work for your home. You could put this in your living room, a dining room, an office, an entryway. It is so chic and beautiful and functional. The price point on this based on the quality of the chair is really impressive. It's not gonna be like one of those IKEA pieces of furniture where you walk through the IKEA store and showroom and you see everything and it looks so beautiful, and then like 3 months later, you're like, why doesn't my couch look like it did like several months ago? Or why does everything just look like it's flat and sad? The structure and form on the swivel chair is fantastic. I love reading books in it, having a little snack of popcorn on it, and as a bonus, it just makes your space look so beautiful and elevated. Have you signed up for the free newsletter? Linked in that description box below and pinned in that comment section. If not, make sure that you do. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, where I share #1 bestsellers, sneak peeks, the first of the first, lots of fun happening happening over there as well. I will also link that car organization video, which is super fun. You all loved it. And click this video on screen now to keep the fun going. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.